Hello, I'm Martin Close, and this is my online art school. Many years ago, when I was learning how to paint, I spent years learning how to draw and paint on my own, experimenting with things and trying new ideas, and the things which worked I kept and did. And this increased my skills. I used to find it really difficult sometimes to be on time for an art class. It was the right frame of mind was sometimes a bit of a challenge. And then, of course, it's only 2 or 3 hours long, so it's like you're halfway through and you think, oh, you feel rushed because you've got to get your painting finished before the end of class. The beauty of an online school like ourselves, you can watch these individual chapters. There's no time pressure. You can stop anytime you wish. You can freeze it. You can restart it. You can go for a cup of tea, go for a walk, and then come back to it at any point in time that is right for you to come back to. It's a stress-free way of learning. When you're doing an online class, you sometimes feel a bit lonely. There's nothing, though, stopping you from inviting 1 or 2 friends so that you're doing the class in a small group. Our tutorial videos are designed for complete beginners, artists who are new to oils, and also those artists who just want to explore new techniques. On our website, you'll find a range of videos covering the essential basics of drawing and painting, as well as projects on landscapes, seascapes, skies, how to paint forests, still life, quite literally a vast range of subjects. We offer 2 membership plans: full membership, which gives you access to every single video project and recorded lesson, and membership plus, which gives you access to all of our webinars, both recorded and live, completely free of charge. Martin Close Art School, an online resource of drawing and oil painting tutorial videos.